Global sales of electric three-wheelers climbed past 3 million last year, and what engineers are building now feels almost unreal. Self-balancing trikes, enclosed scooters with heat and AC, fat tire monsters that ride over anything. And the 7 models on this list show why the old idea of what a vehicle is might be about to change forever. At number 7, we have the Addmotor M-340 fat tire trike. The new Addmotor M-340 uses a standard Delta trike configuration with 2 rear wheels, but swaps those wheels for big ol' 4-inch fat tires. Up front, there's a larger diameter wheel housing a 750-watt continuous and 1,000-watt peak-rated geared hub motor mounted in a spring suspension fork. Grantan M340 Fat Tire e-trike is adapted to the EB 2.0 battery, the world's first 48-volt by 20 amp-hour UL certified battery cells. It ensures an estimated max range of 85 miles with PAS1 mode, 8 miles per hour. Max motor torque, 80 Nm peak motor watts, 1,000 watts. In terms of performance, Addmotor claims the M340 can hit a top speed of 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, and has a maximum range of 50 miles, 80 kilometers when used in the lowest pedal assist mode. The front tire measures 24 inches in diameter, while the 2 rear tires are 20 inches in diameter. These high-quality tires, sourced from Kenda Gigas, feature knobby tread patterns and a durable construction to conquer various terrains with ease. The saddle is a generously sized padded seat with included backrest, similar to saddles we've seen on other comfort-oriented e-bikes in the past. In the rear are 2 smaller diameter 20-inch fat tires on either side of a large 48-liter cargo basket. The e-trike sports a maximum payload of 350 pounds, 158 kilograms, and can fit riders from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 4 inches, 157 to 193 centimeters. At a current sale price of $2,999, the Addmotor M340 is positioned higher on the e-trike price spectrum. The front suspension fork absorbs bumps and rough terrain. Tektro mechanical disc brakes with 180mm rotors provide stopping power. A 5-inch LCD display shows battery usage, mileage, speed, and pedal assist levels. The EB 2.0 lighting system includes multifunctional taillights with turn signals. Established in 2019, Addmotor has established itself as a pioneer in the electric personal mobility industry. The trike includes both front and rear cargo baskets as standard equipment. 7-speed Shimano transmission allows pedal assist operation. At number 6, we have the Daymak Boomerbuggy X. Daymak Inc., the leading developer and distributor of personal light electric vehicles, has launched its new Boomerbuggy X, the first solar-powered, fully enclosed mobility scooter. The Boomerbuggy X Pro has a 60-volt 45 amp-hour SLA battery that allows you travel up to 60 kilometers on a single charge, with a maximum speed of up to 20 kilometers per hour. The high-powered 1200-watt motor allows you to climb inclines of up to 20 degrees. Daymak Boomerbuggy X Pro has a built-in climate control system with heating and air conditioning. The powerful motor allows the Boomerbuggy to reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. The long-lasting battery with a 37.2 miles, 60-kilometer range on a single charge lets you explore further and rediscover the joy of independent travel. Boomerbuggy X Pro enclosed mobility scooter weighs 520 pounds and has a weight capacity of 550 pounds. Assembled dimension 87 inches L by 45 inches W by 64 inches H. The BBX Pro offers a fully climate-controlled environment with both heating and air conditioning, ensuring a comfortable ride in any weather conditions. Enjoy smooth stops with the state-of-the-art electromagnetic brakes for enhanced safety and comfort. The Boomerbuggy X Pro now comes with power windows. With the press of a button, easily roll down your windows or push open the sunroof to get some fresh air and embrace the outdoors. The Boomerbuggy X Pro also boasts a full-color LED display with a rear backup camera. Listen to your favorite tunes on the radio, connect your phone via Bluetooth for a personalized playlist, or even catch up on videos. Boomerbuggy XS features a fully enclosed cabin with an 80-watt high-efficiency solar panel that continuously trickle charges the 60-volt 50 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. It also has a built-in air conditioner and heater to keep the cabin at a perfect temperature. The fully enclosed design protects riders from rain, wind, and snow. One of the remarkable aspects of the Boomerbuggy X Pro is that it doesn't require any license or insurance to ride. Hydraulic disc brakes provide stopping power. The mobility scooter includes locking doors and windshield wipers. Charger time, 8 to 12 hours. 3 speed levels with adjustable dial control acceleration. Shopping bag cargo space accommodates groceries and packages. The alarm system provides anti-theft protection. At number 5, we have the Arcimoto FUV Evergreen. Oregon-based Arcimoto's three-wheeled electric vehicle has been in the works for nearly a decade. The Arcimoto FUV is a semi-enclosed motorcycle-class vehicle. It adopts a tadpole trike configuration with 2 wheels in the front. The Arcimoto Evergreen Edition FUV has a top speed of 75 miles per hour, 121 kilometers per hour, and an estimated city range of over 100 miles, 161 kilometers. The top-spec Evergreen Edition has a 20 kilowatt-hour battery pack that develops 81 horsepower, enough to get to 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds and a top speed of 75 miles per hour. On the highway, you won't fare so well, with 66 miles of range at 55 miles per hour and 32 miles at 70 miles per hour. The Evergreen Edition FUV will come standard with heated seats and grips, Bluetooth speakers, removable doors, and lockable rear storage. The first retail Evergreen Edition FUVs are available for a lower price of $19,900 before tax incentives and other rebates. The company aims to reduce the price down to around $12,000 if they can hit large enough production volume. The Arcimoto is rated at 173 mpge, about half again as efficient as a small electric car. Yeah, I say rider because the two-up seating is arranged in tandem and the main control is a handlebar, not a wheel, but the thing doesn't lean, so it's similar to Can-Am's Spider in that regard. Oh yeah, and it ships at a surprisingly heavy 1,300 pounds with a GVWR of 1,800 pounds. A level 2 charger will take a bit over 3 hours to fully charge the battery. The vehicles have 102 miles, 164 kilometers of range from the battery electric powertrain. Arcimoto announced today that it is now accepting customer reservations for its new flagship electric vehicle, the FUV Evergreen Edition. The FUV features tandem seating with driver in front and passenger behind. Regenerative braking recovers energy during deceleration. You can cut the wheels a total of 40 degrees for a turning radius of 29 feet. The vehicle includes reverse capability for tight maneuvering. Front and rear hydraulic disc brakes handle stopping duties. LED headlights and taillights provide illumination. The semi-enclosed design includes removable hard or soft doors. Due to failure in scaling production to reduce unit price, Arcimoto ran into financial troubles in 2023, which stopped all production and resulted in the company being delisted from NASDAQ. In May 2025, the Arcimoto website was reinstated in a simplified form, showing only the FUV and MUV models. At number 4, we have the Nimbus Halo. This little machine promises to be as rational as a motorcycle to use, as safe and convenient as a car, and as clean as any other EV around. Just like the Carver, it tilts when it drives, but the Halo has a higher top speed, 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour. Li Hengnong, the company's founder, told Inside EVs more about its balancing system. Nimbus Balance is developed completely in-house and quite different from the motorcycle and scooter-based tilting vehicles like the MP3 and Tricity. Our vehicles are driven with a steering wheel, and the driver does not need to countersteer or balance the vehicle. The Nimbus Halo does not seem much longer than a car is wide in the picture above. That's not the case. It will be 2.3 meters, 90.6 inches long. Self-balancing will allow the Halo to be just 0.81 meter, 31.9 inches wide, and a lot less resistant to airflow than other EVs. Nimbus expects it to achieve a 370 miles per gallon equivalent energy consumption, 11 miles per kilowatt hour. That sort of efficiency allows it to have a small battery pack, 8.1 kilowatt hours. With that, it can travel 78 miles, 126 kilometers, and weighs 290 kilograms, 639 pounds. The Halo will have the option to get a 12.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack for a range of 119 miles, 191 kilometers. The weight then rises to 315 kilograms, 695 pounds. Nimbus promises that the Halo will have 3 airbags, front and curtain units, side impact bars, automated emergency braking, ABS, traction control, and lane departure warning. You have a 2-seat configuration in tandem, though the rear seat could be generously described as cramped. The vehicle accelerates from 0 to 29.8 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. 95% charge at home can be achieved in 5.4 hours, 1.2 hours with a level 2 7-kilowatt charger, or 45 minutes with a level 3 charger. The vehicle is categorized as a 125 cubic centimeter light motorcycle, L3E. Despite being an enclosed vehicle, the Halo leans through corners automatically, similar to how a regular motorcycle would corner. This is done thanks to Nimbus Balance, an in-house proprietary technology which ensures that the vehicle maintains its stability regardless of the speed. The body uses high-strength steel and aluminum alloys with a thermoplastic shell. Inside the cabin, you get heating as standard and AC as optional, Bluetooth speakers, and an infotainment display. Despite the safety equipment, the Halo will be affordable. $6,420. Nimbus customers will also manage to rent it for 1 year, $1,188, equivalent to $99 per month. 6 months, $774, or $129 per month, or per month, $149. At just $200 a month to rent, or $9,980 to buy, the Nimbus One costs less than the cumulative costs of gas and insurance of a car. The vehicle includes over-the-air software updates. Touchscreen dashboard displays riding information. The Halo can be driven with a standard driver's license without requiring a motorcycle endorsement in many jurisdictions. At number 3, we have the Peugeot e-Tilt Hybrid Scooter. Peugeot unveils an electrified mobility solution positioned between the two-wheel and four-wheel segments, equipped with a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle powertrain, 2 electric in-wheel motors, and a petrol internal combustion engine. The e-Tilt runs in zero-emission mode at speeds up to 44 miles per hour using 2 rear electric in-wheel motors, developed by Alaf and Brembo. The 48-volt electric battery, designed by Samsung SDI, can be recharged using regenerative braking technology. When driving on interurban roads at speeds of between 70, 44, and 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour, the scooter's 31-kilowatt single-cylinder petrol engine takes over the propulsion. The PHEV's tilting mechanism offers superior handling, making the vehicle as easy to drive as a 3-wheel scooter. This and the roll control technology account for more than half of the 13 patents filed by Peugeot. The system notably makes use of hydraulic components and hydro-pneumatic suspension. The vehicle's small footprint, 2.4 meters by 0.85 meters, and rotating doors facilitate perpendicular parking and free up road space. With a primary focus on city use, the vehicle's small footprint, nearly 8 foot long by a little more than 2.5 feet wide, and rotating doors free up road space and make for quick and easy parallel parking. As well as an enclosed heated cabin, the vehicle also features seat belts and an airbag, making helmets, gloves, waterproof jackets, and other protective gear unnecessary. Funded with €6.7 million from the European Commission under the Horizon 2020 GV5 Research and Innovation Program, the e-Tilt is part of the Efficient Urban Light Vehicle EU Live European Consortium, bringing together 12 partners from 6 countries, with Group PSA the only car maker. The tandem seating arrangement accommodates 2 occupants. The enclosed cabin provides protection from weather conditions. The rotating door design allows easier entry and exit in tight parking spaces. Hydro-pneumatic suspension works in conjunction with the tilting system. The vehicle qualifies as an L category vehicle under European regulations. The dual rear in-wheel motors eliminate the need for traditional drivetrain components. Regenerative braking charges the 48-volt battery during deceleration. The concept explored how hybrid powertrains could extend the range of urban electric vehicles. Peugeot filed more than 13 patents related to the tilting and roll control systems. At number 2, we have the Ginkgo tilting trike concept. The Ginkgo represents an approach to tilting 3-wheel design developed by independent designers, exploring active leaning mechanisms. This concept vehicle investigates how electronic actuators can coordinate lean angles with steering inputs to enhance cornering dynamics. The design uses 2 front wheels to provide stability while allowing the entire vehicle structure to tilt during turns. The goal combines motorcycle-like handling characteristics with car-like stability benefits. Prototype specifications suggest electric powertrains with battery capacities between 5 and 10 kilowatt-hours depending on configuration. Expected range falls between 80 and 120 kilometers based on driving conditions and battery size. The enclosed cabin design protects occupants from weather while maintaining compact urban dimensions. Seating accommodates 1 or 2 occupants in tandem configurations similar to other tilting trike concepts. The tilting mechanism uses sensors to detect road conditions including camber and surface grip levels. Hydraulic or electric actuators control the lean angle based on speed and steering input data. Maximum tilt angles reach approximately 40 to 45 degrees during aggressive cornering. The system automatically returns the vehicle to upright position when stopped. This remains a concept vehicle without confirmed production timelines or manufacturer backing. The design explores how tilting systems can improve both safety and performance in three-wheeled vehicle configurations. The compact footprint targets urban commuters seeking weather protection without full automobile dimensions. Weight estimates suggest approximately 200 to 250 kilograms, including battery systems. The concept demonstrates potential integration of car-like comfort with motorcycle efficiency. At number 1, we have the ZEV T3-1 Micro. ZEV's latest project, the T3-1 Micro Enclosed Trike, a miniature car if you like, focused on short commutes and deliveries. The Micro has a single door, a single front seat, and a park brake, and is fully shielded from the weather, including a proper windscreen wiper. Like the rest of the ZEV range, it's battery electric, using a 4-kilowatt, 5.4 horsepower, oil-cooled transaxle motor. That's good for speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, 30 miles per hour, and a range around 50 miles on the base silicate battery or 70 miles on an optional lithium upgrade. Motor power 4 kilowatts transaxle electric, 3 kilowatts continuous, 7 kilowatts rated. Base system 72-volt nominal, 4.1 kilowatt-hours peak capacity, silicate. The silicate battery lasts 2 to 4 years in operation. That is 1/3 of lithium, but they are very low cost at only $575 at 2018 prices. 45 miles at 45 kilometers per hour or 25 miles per hour. Base system longer range is available in the T3-1 V2 model and the T3-5D model. Battery charger included. Charging time of 4.5 hours on 120-volt normal wall outlet power. The conventional trike configuration should work well with the 51 by 35-inch 360-pound, 163-kilogram, rear cargo carrying capacity. One huge selling feature for the ZEV T3-1 Micro is that in many U.S. states, you don't need a motorcycle license. In some, you can drive it on a regular car license. In others, it qualifies as a moped, needing no license or registration at all. The other big surprise is the price tag. $5,490 with the 50-mile silicate battery, $8,990 with the 70-mile lithium option. ZEV Electric West Virginia, USA is now delivering the $5,700 T3-1 Micro car to its first customers. The vehicle is a unique, 2-door, 3-seat, 3-wheel car that was designed specifically to be the lowest possible cost electric vehicle to buy and operate. The ZEV Micro is a motorcycle-sized vehicle intended to provide the lowest possible transportation cost, maximum hauling ability, and treated as a motor scooter for the lowest registration cost. Think of a 4x8-foot footprint as the total vehicle size, yet able to carry 3 adults. The T3-1 is legal to drive without a helmet when using seatbelts in all but West Virginia and Maine. The T3-1 uses handlebar steering rather than a steering wheel. Manual windows come standard with electric windows available as options. Mechanical parking brake on rear wheels, additional hydraulic parking brakes on all wheels. The enclosed design provides weather protection, including windshield wipers. Special variants are available for disabled people, allowing the seat to move much further back for entry and custom modifications as customers may desire. ZEV engineers designed and built airplanes before designing electric vehicles. The company builds multiple variants, including pickup truck and delivery versions on the same platform. The compact footprint measures approximately 4 feet wide by 8 feet long. LED lighting provides illumination and visibility. The oil-cooled transaxle motor system reduces maintenance requirements. ZEV offers factory direct shipping to customers without local dealers. The 7 electric trikes on this list represent more than engineering experiments or niche products. They signal a fundamental shift in how we think about urban mobility. The ZEV T3-1 Micro proves that practical transportation can cost less than $6,000. The Nimbus Halo demonstrates that self-balancing technology can deliver car-like safety in a motorcycle-sized package. The Peugeot e-Tilt shows established automakers exploring hybrid solutions that blend the efficiency of 2 wheels with the stability of 3. What makes these vehicles significant isn't just their tilting mechanisms or enclosed cabins, it's their approach to solving real problems. The Daymak Boomerbuggy X provides climate-controlled mobility for people who need weather protection without full automobile complexity. The Addmotor M-340 offers fat tire capability for terrain that would stop conventional scooters. The Arcimoto FUV delivers 75 miles per hour performance with tandem seating and 102 miles of range. These machines occupy the space between motorcycles and cars, offering weather protection, cargo capacity, and stability while maintaining compact dimensions and lower operating costs. Some use self-balancing systems, others rely on active tilting mechanisms. A few prioritize affordability over technology, but all 7 challenge the assumption that urban transportation requires 4 wheels, conventional steering, and parking spaces designed for full-size automobiles. The 2 million electric three-wheelers sold last year suggest this category has moved beyond concept stage into real-world adoption.